Sometimes, the most unexpected moments become the best memories. We walked in the rain. It was so much fun. We got all wet. Our clothes were soaked. But we didn't mind. We splashed in the puddles. We laughed all the way. We'll do it again sometime. Because sometimes, it's the simplest things that make the best memories. Cherish the moments. Embrace the fun. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures.